In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, today the topic of the debate is that whether the knowledge is powerful or the wealth in our society. It is said, and I just quote, that knowledge is powerful. But in our society, this idiom has been reversed. If you look back into the history of this world, we have seen, and history is full of numerous examples, that a person who is more knowledgeable has always been more powerful. But in our society, the things are totally different. We have the people who have a lot of wealth, a lot of resources, a big tribe, and they're enjoying the life, and they're proving that they're more powerful than those who have a lot of knowledge in Pakistan. This is not because the idiom is incorrect, that knowledge is a power, but because the circumstances in which this idiom is put are totally different. We have the system in which the wealth is power, in which the wealthy person can buy anything, even the system itself, even the government itself. So, as far as the knowledge is concerned, in any free and democratic country where the things are settled, where the things are concluded according to the principles, where the matters are solved according to the law, where the courts are free in making judgments, where the opportunities are open, and where the employments and positions are given according to the merits. In those circumstances, the knowledge is always power. Because if somebody is caught somewhere, and if he has knowledge, and enough knowledge to prove that he is innocent, the court cannot and will not give him any punishment. But in case of in third world countries, where the people, there no doubt some people are knowledgeable, having a lot of qualifications, but as they don't have money, as they don't have resources, so they are lagging behind. And all those who have wealthy background, they are the sons and daughters of feudal lords, politicians, and different other capitalists of the country. If they are stuck somewhere, if they are caught in some kind of offense or problem, they can even buy the things, they can even buy the justice and get rid of all those difficulties and problems which have come across. So in my opinion, it's no doubt, it's a universal truth that knowledge is a power. But the problem is where you put this idiom, in which society you put this idiom. If you put this idiom in a free society, you will get the good result, the same result. But if you put in opposite circumstances and oppressed circumstances, you will see the opposite results. In our country, the results are, that's why, coming different, because we have the different system. Thank you for understanding. Bye-bye.